So sometimes in billiards, there are shots that are just really hard to do in the normal way, and that's where you want to have a billiards bridge for you. This set was sent to me so I could do this review. It comes with 3 attachments. You've got your X, traditional one, and then this one is actually a little bit higher than this one. So you see you have different height. They simply screw on, so you can just screw this one off that's a little too high for me. And then it starts really small. It's only 14 inches with this nice spongy handle. Attachments are brass with rubber, and so they hold onto the board pretty well, but they're not gonna scratch it up or do anything. Starts at 14 inches. It can go all the way to 59 inches. Where would you need that? Well, there's a lot of shots that are really, really hard to do without something like this. This is the one that I hate the most. When you're here on the side, you can't really get it. And so what I normally do is go behind my back like this. Sometimes I make that shot, but if I wanted to shoot from way back here, which is a better shot, but I can't reach. However, if I extend this, I can get right up in there. So it's a much easier shot. This is a great set if you're wanting to up your pool game, or if you have kids that need a little bit of help. It just gives you a lot more angles so you can adjust your game. So this is something you should check out.